Speaker connectors for Select Mazda Vehicles 1990, 1994, 323*1990 to 2000 Protege. Connects speakers to the factory harness. Easy to connect. Metra 72-7901 speaker connectors for Select Mazda Vehicles, 2-pack. This product has the following all along with it as such as Metra 72-7901. Top reviews from the United States. It works on Jeep Boston Acoustics. It works on a Jeep Grand Cherokee 2006 with Boston Acoustics system. You just need to press it really hard to the current connector. I'm guessing it will work with any Chrysler with Boston Acoustics sound. I used it for the front dash speakers. I did not check the fit in the door speakers.